oils. Now then, tool girl Sam, how are you?
Back.
You're back! Fantastic!
So
I know, and I've got a new shirt, so I thought it's only right that I give you a new shirt too, so there you go.
Yes.
So I better evacuate the workshop and let you fit it on.
Matching
Yeah,
t-shirts.
pretty cool. Right, all yours.
Awesome. Would you look at that? Look at all of this. So excited for my new shirt, and I don't have to wear different shirts every day. Look at that, look how fancy this is. Fresh, England, best place to be other than New Zealand. The material is really nice and fresh, and the logos are cool. And these, all the way from Invercargill. Gotta find a way to be able to button it up. And as a classic Tool Girl Sam move, I am going to wear it like this. Wow, would you look at that? I'd say that is a great present for your girlfriend if she's into tools. If she's not, she's probably into tools because you're a tool. See what I did there? Well, they look like this, and they're bloody comfy.